Hi, I'm Vidya from Robert Bosch. I'm working as a software engineer. We contacted 2-3 vendors for Flask training for our project, and really myTectra gave a very good pathway for us to find a good trainer, and this training was really a very good experience. First thing was like within 3 days I was like worried how they will complete all these topics and make us confident enough to work on these things. But the trainer, they searched and allocated for us to teach us on the customized topics which we wanted was really amazing. And yes, now I can tell myTectra that you have really done a good job, and I'm happy to continue my learning with myTectra. Thank you, myTectra.